So this is a demo of our app Deck, which combines various data sources to assist anyone on a finance team. And where our Google integrations come in is that a user may go to their settings and their integrations page, and they can configure Google Drive permissions as well as Google Calendar integration. So you'll see from our project that we have Google Drive set to auth/drive.file, and this is non-sensitive, so I will demo the use of this at the end, but that's really not the main point of this demo. The main point is to show how we're using Google Calendar and how we've set it up, but just to be safe, I want to demonstrate both. So, and they're both different use cases. So a user will connect their Google Drive. Let me expand this. This is the client ID associated with this app. They'll say, I want to associate this Google Drive, and they'll get this warning that we can see, edit, create, delete anything from their from that Google Picker sub window once they select a file. And users will do this to add their own technical documents to combine them with other data sources. But the sensitive one is Google Calendar integration. So we're telling users that if they enable this, we'll be able to see the calendar events that they can see, so that our chat assistant is able to parse that data and combine it with their other data sources to make them more prepared. So when they select that they want to connect their calendar, you'll see same client ID. We have the same privacy policy terms of service listed here. Let me go back. So they select that they're willing to do this, and they get this warning that we'll be able to see and download their calendar events. And once they do this, the way that we use this calendar integration data is that a user will be able to combine any type of project files that they've uploaded with questions in order to prepare them for their next meeting. I don't have a lot of technical documents uploaded, so I'll just say, what are my meetings on the calendar for tomorrow? And as I send this out, the app is using the permission that they got in order to hit the calendar events endpoint and list the things in a time-limited window of 24 hours. And so it's parsing all of that, summarizing all of that for the user, and for most users it will be then combine that with the types. It'll have information about who they're meeting with already from other sources. So you can see that that's the response. So that's how we're using the calendar.read-only scope. I promised that at the end of the demo I would demonstrate that our Google Drive integration is a separate path. That's how a user is able to link their Google Drive files to a project. So this is teams that have a lot of files on Google Drive related to customers or potential investments can use the Google Drive file picker in order to just upload that document into our parsing and processing pipeline. So this is how we are using these two scopes, and they're totally decoupled. This is the sensitive one.